Hi everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to make this rhinestone gourd phone bag. It's perfect for cocktail looks. For weaving I use a 4mm rhinestone gourd. Prepare 2 cords. Measure 80 cm from the edge. At this mark, I tape the pair of cords to the table. Looking for more beautiful macrame projects? Join the Macramé Tutorials Club and get access to exclusive full-length video tutorials with voice guidance and unique designs I don't share anywhere else. Inside the club you'll discover a growing collection of creative macrame projects, from stylish accessories to cozy home decor, all designed with love and attention to detail. New tutorials are released regularly in the Macramé Tutorials Club, and the collection keeps growing. For parties, celebrations and special events, I've prepared a collection of sparkling accessories, now available in the club. You'll also find a selection of cozy seasonal projects. And that's not all, many more unique designs and creative projects are on the way. It's the best way to keep learning, stay inspired and support my work. Click join to start creating with me today. Using the long ends, I weave a chain of simple knots. The length of the chain is 26-28 cm. Next, I'll work in a vertical position, so I hang the chain on a hook. I add 2 new cords. Fold them in half. Place them inside the chain and use the chain to make one more wrap so the new cord is attached inside the chain. I repeat the same on the other side. Next, I work in pairs and weave Chinese crown knots. I repeat on the other side. Done. Then I continue weaving rows of these knots in a checkerboard pattern. The distance between the previous row is 2.5 centimeters. I continue weaving the rows this way. In total, I made 6 rows. The length of the weaving from the handle is 18 centimeters. I try the phone inside. I gather all the cords under the bottom row of knots. I collect all the ends into one bundle, take a new cord, make a loop, place it against the bundle, and use the long end to wrap around all the cords. Make several wraps, then pass the long end through the bottom loop. Then I pull the short top end so that the lower knot is hidden inside the wrapping. I cut off the top end. I trim the fringe to the desired length.